In this video, I'll show you how to delete a sales order using Zoho CRM in n8n step by step so you can quickly set up the action inside your workflow. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more n8n and automation videos. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. This is the workflow where you want to add the Zoho CRM action. So make sure you're in the correct automation before making any changes. Once the workflow is open, you'll be ready to add the node that handles the sales order deletion. Next, go to the Nodes panel. On the left side of n8n, you'll find a list of available integrations and actions. In this panel, search for Zoho CRM and select it. This will add the Zoho CRM node to your workflow, giving you access to the available CRM operations. After that, choose Delete a Sales Order from the Zoho CRM options. This is the specific action you need if your goal is to remove the sales order from Zoho CRM through your workflow. Selecting the correct operation is important because n8n offers different CRM actions and you want the one that matches your task exactly. Now it's time to configure what you want. Set up the required fields for the sales order you want to delete and make sure the node is pointed at the correct record. Depending on your workflow, this may involve mapping values from previous nodes or entering the sales order details manually. Double check your configuration so the right sales order is targeted before you run the workflow. Once everything is configured, save your node and test the workflow to confirm it works as expected. If the setup is correct, n8n will send a delete request to Zoho CRM and remove the specified sales order automatically. And that's it. You now know how to delete a sales order using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials.